Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the Scorpio zodiac sign people, the Scorpio sun sign people. I'm gonna tell you all how your year 2022 would be. This video is for those people who are born between the 23rd of October and the 21st of November. So, if you are born between the 23rd of October and 21st of November, then you must continue watching this video. Scorpio zodiac sign people, Scorpio sun sign people, seeing the planetary positions, seeing the transit of planets in the year 2022. I want to tell you all something today. I want to tell you all that when you all enter the year 2022, you will have to shun your fears. You are being too fearful about life. I mean that you are not willing to take some very bold decisions in your life. Hence, you are not able to move forward in your life. Your fear is holding you back from moving forward in your life. This fear within you makes you take 2 steps backwards after you have taken 1 step forward. So basically you are taking 1 step forward and 2 steps backward. Hence you are not making any sort of progress in your life. And if you don't conquer your fears in the year 2022, then your life will remain static. It is not gonna move forward. It is always gonna remain monotonous and boring for you as before. And this life will never become an adventure for you. So, if you wish to move forward in your life, then you need to conquer your fears. You need to shun your fears. And you need to be courageous in the year 2022. Courage doesn't mean the absence of fear, but courage means the willingness to act in spite of your fears. Whether you are in a business, whether you want to change a job, whether you are looking for a job, whether you want to get married, whether you are in a love relationship, whether you are in a married relationship, that doesn't matter. You need to shun your fears in any area of your life, in any space of your life, in any sphere of your life. And only if you shun your fears, then only you will see progress in your life. I know someone who was doing a job and he got an offer from another company, which was a startup, and that company was willing to give that person 4 times more salary than what he was already getting. But this company where he was working for was a multinational company. Hence, he preferred this multinational company against that startup. And a few years later, that company grew and grew very well. And now he is regretting that if he would have joined that company, he would have gotten a 4 times more salary than what he was already getting. So he was not willing to take any sort of risk. He was fearing that he might lose his job in that startup. Hence, he didn't join that company. But later on, he realized that that company has been growing steadily and now it is a billion-dollar company. Only if he would have shunned his fears, if he would have conquered his fears and joined that company, he would have earned 4 times more salary than what he was already earning. So you can see how fear can stop you from succeeding in life, from seeing success in your life. Similarly, if you don't conquer your fears, if you don't take those bold decisions in the year 2022, then you are not gonna move forward in your life. You are not gonna see success and prosperity in your life, and in turn, happiness and joy in your life. If you are not willing to risk, then you can't grow in your life. And if you can't grow in your life, you cannot become your best. And if you can't be your best, you can't be happy. And if you can't be happy, then what else is there? After all, a human being is living on this planet to get happiness. And the starting point for that happiness is the willingness to take risk in your life. You know, there is a cliche which says, no risk, no gain. So if you are not willing to risk in the year 2022, you will not be able to move forward in your life. I am not telling you all to take those decisions blindly. You need to weigh some pros and cons before taking that decision. But not taking any sort of decision in your life will lead you nowhere. So, in the year 2022, you need to make a conscious, deliberate, and a determined effort to take those hard decisions in your life, and you will see success and prosperity in your life. You know, some people don't shun their fears because they want to remain in their comfort zone. They fear some changes in their life, and changes means success in your life. You know, you need to adapt to that change in the year 2022. Howsoever it may be difficult for you to adjust to that change, you must be determined to make a change in the year 2022. And if you embrace change in the year 2022, you will see yourself moving forward miles ahead in your life. I mean, you will see success and prosperity in your life. So, the formula for success in the year 2022 is to overcome your fears and adapt to that change which comes your way. Well, this is all I wanted to tell you, Scorpio zodiac sign people, for the year 2022. Now let me start predicting about the Scorpio zodiac sign people for the year 2022. Let me start with people who are doing a job or are finding a job for themselves. Well, for those people who are trying to find a job for themselves, I want to tell you all that after April 2022, you'd get very lucky. You will find a job for yourself. Though you might not get job satisfaction in that particular job, yet I'd encourage you all to join that company, that organization. Because later on, I see you getting a better opportunity for yourself. I mean, you could change your job at a later date once you get that bigger opportunity or a better opportunity. Well, for those people who are doing a job, let me tell you all that this year is gonna be a good year for you all. You are gonna see steady progress in your work in the year 2022. I mean, you could see a promotion for yourself. I mean, you could see a salary increase in your salary package in the year 2022. Your work is gonna get appreciated and admired by your bosses in the year 2022. You are gonna develop some extra skills in the year 2022, which will take you miles ahead in your career. It is gonna show you progress in this particular company as well as in your career. Hence, if you get an opportunity to learn something new, you must go for it. Well, for business people, this year is gonna be a fantastic year for y'all. Y'all are gonna see good money in your business. I mean, y'all are gonna see great money in your business. Y'all are gonna earn a lot of money in your business. All your past problems in your business would vanish in the year 2022, and you will remain engrossed and involved in your business in the year 2022. And this involvement in your business will help you to see growth in your business. You will see that you are earning better than before in the year 2022. You will thank your lucky stars that you didn't change that business which you were doing. However, if you wish to expand your business in the year 2022, you must do it after 2022. Do not make too much investment in your business in the year 2022. Just focus on increasing your number of customers to your existing list of customers in the year 2022. The only problem which I see for y'all is that y'all might incur some wasteful expenditures in the year 2022, which might be an impediment for you in your business. Well, on the health front, this year is gonna be a fantabulous year for y'all. Y'all are gonna see great health for yourself in the year 2022. All your past problems, all your past diseases, all your past illnesses are gonna come to an end in the year 2022. You are gonna find a medicine which is gonna cure you in the year 2022. You might also find a home remedy for yourself in the year 2022 which is gonna cure you completely. You know, this illness, this disease which you will recover from in the year 2022 will never resurface in your life. So this year is gonna be a very positive year for you in terms of your health. However, people who are having a chronic disease, they need to be very careful. They need to be very cautious about their health in the year 2022. They should go for regular checkups to their doctor in the year 2022. If y'all are having any sort of vices in regard to eating and drinking, you must stop those vices immediately. You must bring an end to those vices in the year 2022. Otherwise, this may prove to be detrimental for your health in the year 2022 and in the future. So, control your vices in the year 2022. However, the parts of the body, the organs of the body which you need to take care of is your blood, are your bones, are your nerves, is your digestive system, is your eyes and your sexual organs. So if you face any sort of problems regarding these parts, these organs of the body, then you need to give special attention to it. Well, for people who are in a romantic relationship, let me tell you all that this year is gonna be an okay sort of year for you all. Neither too good nor too bad. You will see that there is gonna be a steady progress in your relationship with your love partner. You and your love partner are gonna try to understand each other in the year 2022. And probably after April 2022, you will see success in what you are doing. Though your relationship with your love partner may not be very strong during the year 2022, but it would be like a normal relationship. You shouldn't use harsh words with your love partner in the year 2022. If you are having some problems in your personal life, you shouldn't vent out your anger on your love partner in the year 2022. Basically, this is gonna be a consolidation time for y'all. Well, for students, this year is gonna be an excellent time for y'all. Y'all will see that you will regain your focus and concentration on your studies, which you didn't have in the year 2021 or 2020. You will easily be able to grasp, understand, comprehend, learn all those subjects which you weren't able to in the year 2021 or 2020. You can also master one of those subjects which you always wanted to. And for those people who are appearing for a competitive exam or an exam, they are likely to pass those exams with flying colors. I mean, they are gonna score very well in those exams which they appear for in the year 2022. However, the only source of mass distraction for y'all will be the electronic gadgets. Don't use those electronic gadgets apart from when you are studying. So if you are using your electronic gadgets for your studies, then it is all right. But apart from that, please do not use them, because this may prove to be a waste of time for y'all. Hence, you will be distracted and disturbed from your studies. Well, for married people, this year is not gonna be a very good year for y'all. You and your spouse are gonna see a lot of fights, a lot of arguments, a lot of debates between y'all in the year 2022. You and your spouse are not gonna support each other in the year 2022. Things will get from bad to worse in the year 2022. There is gonna be too much dissatisfaction between y'all in the year 2022. Y'all are gonna remain dissatisfied with each other mentally, emotionally, physically, and financially as well. I mean, you and your spouse are not gonna support each other financially in the year 2022. And this may be one of the major causes of your dissatisfaction with your spouse. The emotional connect which was there between y'all in the previous years will come to an end in the year 2022. I'm not saying that y'all will be separated in the year 2022, but if you and your spouse don't work on that relationship, it is gonna end in the coming years. Well, for people who are in the stock market, let me tell you all that this year is gonna be a good year for y'all. Y'all are gonna see good profits for yourself in the stock market in the year 2022. And if you are seeing profits for yourself in the stock market in the year 2022, you must book some profits for yourself in the year 2022. You mustn't delay booking those profits in the year 2022. Because later on, you might get an opportunity to re-enter those stocks at a lower level. For those people who are wanting to invest in the stock market, they should invest their money in tranches. I mean, not in one go. I mean, you can invest that money weekly or monthly in the year 2022. And for those people who are gambling in the stock market, you mustn't gamble in the year 2022. Because there is a strong chance of you losing a lot of capital in the year 2022 if you gamble in the stock market or anywhere else. Well, for people who are in debt, this year is gonna be a very good year for y'all. Y'all are gonna get some money which will enable you to pay your EMIs, your installments. You are gonna get that money very comfortably to pay your EMIs, your installments. If you face any sort of problems, you must go and speak to them. I mean your creditors. They might give you a very good solution to your problem in the year 2022. So don't hesitate in speaking to your creditors in the year 2022. Speak your heart out to your creditors and they will give you a solution to your problem. However, taking a fresh loan in the year 2022 is not an ideal thing for y'all. You must wait for some time before you apply for that loan or go for that loan. There might be a couple of months in the year 2022 where you might feel irritated, you might feel exasperated paying those EMIs, those installments. But apart from those couple of months, you would be fine paying those EMIs, those installments. Well, Scorpio zodiac sign people, Scorpio sun sign people, I want to tell you all something today. If you have been facing any sort of problems and difficulties in your life continuously, I mean, if you have been facing problems and difficulties in your life continuously and you think that they are never gonna end in your life, then I want to tell you all about a remedy just now. All you have to do is give 17 rupees each to 11 different poor people. And additionally, you will have to give a Fanta orange to those 11 different poor people to whom you have given that 17 rupees each. And lastly, you will have to donate 3 black garments to 3 different poor people. You know, you have to do this remedy on a Saturday and you will have to do this for 5 consecutive Saturdays. You could buy 11 PET bottles of that Fanta orange and distribute it among those 11 different poor people. You can start doing this remedy on any Saturday of the year 2022. And you have to do this for 5 consecutive Saturdays. Well, if you complete this remedy in the year 2022, then all your past problems are gonna come to an end in the year 2022. And this remedy is also gonna protect you from all the possible dangers of life in the year 2022. Well, Scorpio zodiac sign people, here is something else for y'all. I want to tell you all that I make a very special prayer box and an amulet locket pendant. If you have been facing any sort of problems and difficulties in your life, if you have been facing predicaments and ordeals in your life, if you have been facing sorrows, miseries and worries in your life, if you have been witnessing hurdles, obstacles and barriers in your life, and you think you have tried hard enough to overcome these problems and difficulties in your life without any success, then these remedies are for you. Well, if you install this prayer box in your house or wear this particular amulet, then these remedies are gonna help you to earn more money in your life. It is gonna show you success and prosperity in your life. It is gonna make you experience richness in your life. It is gonna make you a positive person in your life. It is gonna make you experience peace, tranquility and calmness in your life. And if for some reason life has knocked you down, then these remedies will help you to rise up once again in your life, and it is gonna propel you to run towards that thing called success, which we all want. You can also contact me if you want me to pray for you. I mean, if you want me to pray for your health, wealth, property, career, job, marriage, married life, etc., 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 you can contact me for these prayers. You can also contact me if you want a Vastu visit for your factory, flat, apartment, office, etc., etc., etc. Well, these remedies which I am talking about are all religious remedies, are all godly remedies, and these remedies can be utilized by any person of any religion, because I believe that there is only one God in this universe. I am talking about that God who has created this universe, who has invented this universe and all the things in it, including us. Well, if there were different gods who had created this universe, who had invented this universe, then the color of the human blood would be different in different human beings. But that is not the case. The color of the human blood is red in all the human beings of this planet Earth. Hence, you will understand that there is only one creator of this universe, and that is the Almighty God. Well, the name of that God may be different. We may call that God by different names. That doesn't matter, because basically we are all worshipping that one God, that same God. Hence, I can confidently tell you all that these remedies can be utilized by any person of any religion. Well, this pretty much ends my general predictions for the Scorpio zodiac sign people for the year 2022. If you want some specific predictions about yourself, then you can contact me directly. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves, because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life. You will not get a chance to live this beautiful life once again. And if you wish to enhance your luck in your life, if you want to boost your luck in your life, if you want to improve your luck in your life, then my remedies are for you. These remedies will boost your luck in your life. It is gonna show you success and prosperity in your life. It is gonna make you earn more money in your life. It is gonna make you experience richness in your life. It is gonna make you a positive person in your life. It is gonna make you experience peace, tranquility and calmness in your life, which is most important for human beings. And if you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great year of 2022. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali.